Congratulations, you are at the end of this video series. You're at video 6. We're going to be talking about promoting and marketing your ebook on Amazon Kindle. Now, you might be thinking, oh no, I've got to do a lot of marketing like SEO, search engine optimization, I've got to do PPC, Google AdWords, this and that. Now, what I want you to do is think simple. Put aside the PPC, put aside all of this marketing that you already know. If you don't know any of that, then great. Because I'm going to show you some simple steps that you can implement starting today that actually can build relationships and get more sales and more potential prospects to your Amazon page to buy your ebook for Amazon Kindle. You can use the same method with regular Amazon ebooks. Now, just a brief idea, we're going to talk about, including a link on your personal website to the Amazon page where your book is listed. Now, that is pretty simple. Do that first. Second of all, we're going to talk about reviews, customer reviews. We're going to talk about Amazon community, how to get involved with people in the community. And then we're going to talk about observing your competition. So with that said, let's go to Amazon and let me show you how to do this. Alright, so the first step, make sure that you put a link to your Amazon Kindle page from your personal website. And what might be a good idea is I would recommend that you create a post that has information on it. For example, a blog post. You don't necessarily have to say buy. Provide some information. You can grab some of your best information out of your ebook and put it on a blog post. Now, you don't have to put all of your good information, just a snippet. It's just an excerpt, just something that will pull somebody in and build a relationship and build trust. And then somebody might be interested in purchasing your Amazon Kindle ebook or your Amazon book, whatever you're promoting. So that's the first step. The second step is to go on Amazon.com and become part of the community. So it says, what's your interest? Online dating. We can find like-minded people or people who are in the same situation or people that are looking for this type of information in the Amazon community. Now, that doesn't mean to go to the Amazon community and just start spamming people and start telling people, hey, buy this, hey, buy that. But you want to be an active person in there and start providing useful information, possibly about online dating. So as you can see, romance is a big thing, so you can always find information, see discussions about online dating and things like that, or even start a new discussion. If you can start a new discussion, you can be controversial. Controversial also builds a lot of eyes and a lot of traffic to your page. So that's the second step. Third step is to become an Amazon affiliate so that you can begin to sell Amazon ebooks and things like that. Now, you could place your Amazon affiliate, your promotion on your page, your ebook on your page, but it's unlikely that you can go to your competition and ask them to promote for you. But here's what I found. If you go to other places like ClickBank and you find people who are in a similar niche, maybe not exactly online dating, you could find somebody that talks about dating, but not exactly online dating. And they can still be your joint venture partner. So you can go to ClickBank's marketplace, go to their marketplace, find products that are similar, and then see if you can do maybe a joint venture or something. So that would be the third step, affiliate program. Fourth step is to take your blogs, your blog posts, or even find similar sites. So you can go to Google Blogs, for example, and type in online dating, find online dating blogs, and then read the articles, respond to them, and put a link back to your Amazon site or to your blog posts or anything like that. Bloggers and people that write blogs are actually good sources of traffic because people go there for information, and guess what? They build a relationship with the person, and then you can sell or pre-sell. I wouldn't say hard sell because you're not telling people to buy. You're trying to get people to get to your site, and then after you've built that relationship, then you can sell. So I would recommend blogs, Google Blogs, blogsearch.google.com, as well as Technorati. If you type in Technorati, blogs, and Google, you'll find this page. You can search for blogs here as well. And you can search for WordPress blogs in Google as well. Those are the most basic steps that you can take, and you can do it all within a day of actually submitting your ebook or your Amazon book or whatever you're promoting. Those are the simple steps that I would recommend that you take immediately. Then you can go forth and do pay-per-click marketing, SEO, or whatever other marketing that you want to do. But these are basic enough that you can do it all in a day.